Hey, hi guys, welcome back to my tutorial on complete guide to Spring Boot and microservices. So this is our second lecture where we will be exploring how to install IntelliJ IDE. So based on your preference, you can use any IDE, you can use Eclipse, you can use Spring Tool Suite, you can use IntelliJ. It depends on which IDE you want to use. Here we are using IntelliJ. So I'll teach you how to install IntelliJ on your machine and then we will set up a project in IntelliJ in the next lecture. So let's start. In order to download IntelliJ, you can simply on Google type download IntelliJ and you'll get this link, the very first one from JetBrains. So you can just click on this link. So here you see for all three types of operating systems like Windows, Mac OS and Linux, there are versions provided by IntelliJ. So there are two types of version. One is ultimate version and other one is community version. So ultimate version is actually paid. It provides you a certain set of extra features and functionality, whereas the community version is free. So we will be using the community version for that because it provides the very basic functionality which we would require for to continue on this course. If you have a Mac OS, you also get these two types of versions and similarly for Linux as well. So if you want to download this, so I have a window machine, let me download the community version. So you just have to click on the download button and then it will automatically start your download. Now I already have IntelliJ downloaded in my machine. So let's just start. So, okay, I do have this IntelliJ IDEA exe into my machine. So I'll just double click on it and let's start with the installation of IntelliJ. So here it is asking you to provide permission. So I clicked on yes and then it will open this wizard. You can click on next. Now this will tell you on into which folder your IntelliJ is going to be installed. You can browse and choose some other folder. I'll be continuing with this itself. And then it asks you if you want to create a desktop shortcut or something like that. So you can do it if you want. For now, I'll continue with that. And then I'll click on the install button. So now it has begun the process of installing IntelliJ on my machine. So here it is done. You can just check this for the IntelliJ to run and click on finish. So in the background you can see IntelliJ has started and it is asking for the settings. So for now we will not be importing any kind of settings. So here like it is started, you can see it is trying to start and the IDE will open shortly. So here you can see it is opening. So here you can create a new project or you can open an existing project or maybe clone the project from some kind of repository. So what we will do is now is we will create a Spring Boot application in the next lecture and we will try importing that Spring Boot application into our IntelliJ IDE. Thank you so much for watching. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe. If you have some sort of questions, you can always comment in the comment section. We will try to revert you back as soon as possible. Thank you.